Good. Guys, pay attention over here. Present simple using the verb to be. I will put this on Instagram so you can watch it again, okay, Giovanni? Really watch this. We know this stuff. I am English. You are happy. He is Scottish. She is Brazilian. It is nice. We are good. They are hungry. Okay? The verb to be. When we make it negative, we just add the word not. I am not here. You are not Brazilian. She is not. We are not. They are not. When you make questions, we take these words and we turn them around. So instead of you are English, it's are you English? Instead of he is not happy, we would say is he happy? Where is he from? How old are they? We just turn them around. Okay? Stop this video now